Hello everyone and welcome back to Mocha Dishes. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an easy way to make delicious pizza. First, we're going to grab 2 large eggs and throw them into the blender. We're going to also add a little bit of salt and a cup of milk. You're also going to need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then you're just going to want to blend. Once it's all blended, you're going to want to add 2 cups of flour. You're going to want it to be a doughy and sticky consistency. This is perfect. Now, you're just going to want to flatten the dough mixture out on a pan lined with parchment paper with a spoon or with your hand. Now, you're just going to want to add your tomato paste. I used 1/3 of the can. Now I'm just adding my mozzarella cheese, some tomatoes, some onions, I also added some spinach. Really, you're going to want to add whatever you like. I put it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 20 minutes. Here is the final product. It's very simple, very easy. It really doesn't make any mess, and it's super delicious. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Bye!